Hi guys, I'm Paolo and on my hand is one of the latest member of the Flare series, the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. On this video, I am going to show you what is included in the package and what to expect when you buy the unit. So let's start by checking the specs of the phone. Cherry Mobile is already Android 5.1 Lollipop with 5-inch HD IPS display, 2GB of RAM and 16GB of ROM, dual SIM, then 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, and yung CPU niya is 1.4 GHz octa-core, LTE na rin siya, then with digital TV. So buksan natin yung box niya. So this is the manual. One amp charger, charging cable or data cable, then the microphone, last but not the least the antenna for digital TV. Na-expand siya. Tawid muna natin. And here's the unit. So makikita nyo, hindi siya smooth. Yung back niya. And speaker grill. The headphone jack. Then dito rin ilalagay yung antenna. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Then micro USB. Charging port. Volume rocker. Power button. Buksan natin para makita nyo yung loob. So ang battery niya is 2000 mAh. Ayan. Power on na natin siya. Ayan, nag-boot na siya. So, let's check the phone. Check muna natin yung Android version. About phone. Android Lollipop. So, available na nga pala si Flare S Play sa Cherry Mobile Kiosk for 4,999 pesos. Install na ako ng apps and games para sa game testing and benchmarking video. Let's check the camera. Yan. Then yung UI niya is kagaya din ng other Cherry mobile phones. Yung quality ng camera, papakita natin yan sa susunod na video. Ayan, may mga kuha na ako. Maganda siya. Then, makita ko sa inyo yung paano gamitin yung antenna. So, here's the antenna. So, ikutin nyo lang siya dyan. Ilalagay nyo sa headphone jack. Oops, natanggal. Be careful lang sa paghatak. dahil medyo manipis yung antena niya. Yan. Then open the Share TV app. Pagkabili nyo nga pala, i-upgrade nyo kagad siya dahil meron update para sa TV app ng Cherry Mobile. Okay, wala nang palabas dahil 3 AM na. Ayan yung TV niya. So that ends our first review of the Cherry Mobile Flare S Play. So on the next video, we will do the benchmarking, game testing, and talk about the features like the digital TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.